Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you the simple vanilla cake recipe with you all. It's also easy to put together, and trust me, you are definitely going to love this recipe. And so if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do what to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's dive right into it. Alright, so to a bowl, I'm going to be adding in 2 eggs. You can also use any amount of eggs that you want. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. Moving forward, I'll go in with my oil. You can also use butter for this recipe as well. Next, I'll go in with some vanilla essence. I will go in with my hand mix, and I will mix until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Alright, so whilst that is done, I'll also go in with my sugar. You can also use any sweetener of choice as well, right? Mix everything together until the sugar dissolves very well. Whilst that is going on, if you are still not subscribed to my channel, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please do well to share this video to also reach wider audience. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so moving forward, I'll also go in with my cake flour. To that, I'll go in with some salt to taste, baking powder, and I will be mixing everything together until it is nice and well incorporated. Whilst we are done mixing the flour, I'll also go in with my evaporated milk little by little until I reach the perfect consistency that I want. You can also use fresh whole milk if that is what you prefer, right? Mix all together until you achieve the perfect consistency. While stirring everything together, let me use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, so at this point I am at the right consistency that I'm looking for. So next I'm going to pour in my cake dough into my baking pan, but before that I'm going to brush in with some oil and also some flour. This will ensure easy removal after baking and also to prevent the cake sticking to the bottom of the pan, okay? But you can also use parchment paper if that is what you have, because it works very easy, okay? Now after doing so, I'm going to pour in my cake batter into my cake pan. After that, just tap your pan to make sure you don't have any bubbles or any air in your cake so that it will bake very beautifully, okay? Next to the most important thing, I'm going to be baking this in my air fryer, and I'm going to be baking this for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. So the time was on 15 minutes, as you can see, and for the temperature it was around 200 degrees Celsius. Alright, so after I baked for about 15 minutes, I reduced the temperature to 160 to bake for extra 15 minutes, and ta-da! After extra 30 minutes of baking this vanilla cake, it came out so good, as you can see. So I'm going to be inserting my toothpick in it just to make sure that it has really been baked very well, and it was so perfect. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this vanilla air fryer cake. It came out so good, and I hope you're going to try. In fact, I was so much impressed with the outcome, and the taste was super good. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you watch to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.